We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change your drum on a Brother HL-2170W. So this specific printer, it takes a DR360, that's your drum part number. So you want to open your front hatch, pull this lever here. You want to separate your toner and your drum, so you use this button, it's going to pop that toner out. Set your old drum to the side, unbox your new one, and then put your old toner in your new drum. Once you hear it click, you know it's in there. And then you'll need to move this little guy right here. Move it back and forth a few times. Just make sure when you're done, you put it back into this locking place with the arrow. Once you hear it click, you know it's in there correctly. Put your drum and toner in the printer. Yet again, once you hear it click, you know it's in there. Don't shut the front hatch yet, because you do need to reset your drum. So you're going to hold this little white button right here where this would normally go. And you're going to hold it down until all the lights right here light up. Okay, so then it's resetting my drum. Shut the front hatch. And then you should be good to go. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.